That's so cool. Morning. Getting your way here. Morning. And whose car is this?
Mine.
Yours, okay. So it seems like a very uncommon car to do the lowrider or really customize in general. Did you already have one, or did you go looking for one?
No, I always, growing up, I had seen these cars.
Yeah.
You know, and
I
had Mark 4s, Mark 5s, and the baby Lincolns. I had them all, and I just came across this one. But growing up, I seen these already lowridered out. And
Yeah.
They look good.
This is a 77?
77 Ford LTD.
Yeah. And did you have everything done to it, or did you already buy it like this?
Yeah. In fact, I got a picture I just showing the guy right now.
Uh-huh.
When I first bought it.
Wow.
That's when I bought it stock.
That's amazing.
Like 25 years ago.
Wow. It actually looked super clean when you bought it.
Yeah, it was.
Wow.
The lady took care of it.
And you've had it for how long?
25 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
It's such a beautiful car. You know, when I was walking by with somebody else, we were saying you'd have to buy one of these with all the pieces, because just all these pieces would be impossible to find in good shape, right?
Yeah, they are. I mean, it's not like the Impalas where you can just go and to the Chevy shop.
There's no way.
You can get everything you want. These
70s and 80s cars, especially something like this, it's a little less common.
Yeah.
It would be like impossible to find all that really like beautiful trim.
I got lucky. I found a few stuff on eBay.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Just Googled the title of the car and that, and stuff pops up.
Wow.
You know, expensive. But yeah.
Yeah, this thing's so cool. So how long has it been like kind of done, not done, but like in this state?
In
I
this
guess?
state?
Yeah.
It's going on 2 years.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I had it done for last year, but then my motor took a doo-doo, and so I had to take the motor out, and it took them 10 months to rebuild it because of the epidemic, and and they had to order parts, and it was a pain in the butt, but she's running again, and I'm happy.
Yeah.
But people see it, they go, what is it? You know?
Such a cool, it's just a really cool, unique car you don't see.
You don't see them too often.
Yeah.
But when you do, they always say, hey, thanks for being different.
Yeah, it's a cool car. What was your name?
Frank.
Frank. Very nice to meet you, Frank. It's a cool car, man. Really cool.
That's what I do. That's what I do is the hydraulics.
Oh, okay. So you do the hydraulics on both of them.
Yeah, I do hydraulics. That's my thing. Last Sunday they had that lowrider showing on me.
Yeah, you know what? I was really sad that I missed that show. It looked really cool.
It was a good show, man.
Yeah. Do they do that once a year?
It just started coming back.
Okay, good.
They banned lowrider car shows here in LA.
Yeah.
County for a while because of the bullshit. But
yeah.
it's starting to come back. People are starting to behave.
Good. Yeah, because I'd love to go to that next year, because I was sad that I missed that show. That looked like a really cool show.
Yeah, because once they stopped here, they went to Vegas.
Right, that's right. That's the Vegas Super Show. They do that once a year, right? Yeah.
like every other black car owner. I see you've got your I only have one. Dust off of it. So after the first 20 minutes, you can bring it back to the way it was before.
Beautiful inside too. This thing's cool, dude. I need it. I need this in my life.
That's my favorite one here today.
Me too. Me too. Yeah. I want to see the headlights open.
You know what's cool about
That's what I want to see.
You know what's cool about this car? Is that it's a $5,000.
Yeah.
And now it's not.
Yeah.
But it's like.
I think you're right.
You know what I mean? It's
Yeah,
like,
you're right. You're totally right. You know what?
if you found this in some grandma's garage, it would be $5,000.
He showed me a picture when he bought it new. It's super clean. He's had this car for 22 years. The picture when he bought it.
Explains how everything survived.
Yes, the picture when he bought it brand new, it looked like Grandma's beautiful car. Yeah. It just looks outstanding. Just get a couple little B-roll shots here.